Hola amigos and welcome to Learn Spanish World. If you've been trying to learn Spanish and you've been struggling, you're going to want to tune in this video. I understand there are a lot of you who absolutely hate grammar and don't seem to be progressing as you wish. Well, this video series entitled How Do You Say It will help you. You'll be on your way to improving your Spanish once for all. My name is Mr. Briggs. I'm a qualified Spanish teacher and I'm here to help you along the way. I upload videos every Friday and sometimes I upload videos throughout the week. So click the subscribe button. In that way you will be notified every time I upload a lesson. Very good. Are we ready to start learning some Spanish today? Comencemos. Perhaps this is one of the most important phrases you should learn when you start learning Spanish. You will be using this phrase over and over again. I don't understand. How do you say I don't understand? No entiendo. No entiendo. No entiendo. That means I don't understand. No entiendo. Muy bien. Repeat it. Now, if you wanted to say to someone that you don't understand what you're saying, you'd have to say, no entiendo lo que dices. No entiendo lo que dices. If you wanted to be a bit more specific and just tell the person you don't understand Spanish, then you'd say, no entiendo español. No entiendo español. No entiendo español. Perfecto, let's continue. What about if you wanted to say that you still don't understand? Then you'd say, todavía no lo entiendo. Todavía no lo entiendo. Todavía no lo entiendo. Another way that you can say is, another way of saying I don't understand is no comprendo. No comprendo. This one is probably easier to remember. It's like saying I don't comprehend. No comprendo. No comprendo lo que dices. That's another way of saying I don't understand what you're saying. No comprendo lo que dices. If you find this way easier, simply start using this. Later on, you can enhance your vocabulary and use the other ways of expressing that you don't understand something. Muy bien, my dear amigos. Thank you so much once again. As I said to you, I upload videos every Friday and sometimes during the week, so please subscribe and help me grow this channel. I'm currently working in additional videos, and don't forget to check my playlists. I've got more than 150 lessons for you. Very good, my dear friend. It's been a pleasure. Please look after yourself, take care, and no matter where you are around the world, I'll say to you, hasta la vista, amigos. Adiós.